Hey, Karen Backwards here again, and welcome back to the AI is Building AI series. Today we are starting from the beginning. We need to set up our Ubuntu server. And the first step is making a bootable flash drive. It's pretty easy, and now I will show you how to do it, and you can use this method for any Linux distribution. And by the way, if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell. So let's build this together. At first, go to ubuntu.com and here go to download Ubuntu, and here you can choose what kind of version of Ubuntu you want to download. We do not want to use the desktop version because we don't need any graphic interface overhead. We need to have the server completely optimized, so we will choose the server instead and download the Ubuntu server version. Now here click the latest version you will find here, so for now it's 24, so click on it, and this will initiate a downloading of the ISO file. So remember, where are you going to save it and download it. As you can see, the file is about 3.1 gigabytes. Now why we choose the Ubuntu? The LTS means long-term support, so we got update for 5 years in this Linux distribution, which is perfect for our AI server. And maybe you might ask, why the server version? Why not the desktop with the nice graphics? So again, the answer is simple. We don't need graphics in our purpose. So because a desktop uses a RAM, a CPU, just for the interface. But we prefer to put all the power for our AI models instead. By the way, the server version is also more stable for running 24/7. Okay, so now we have the ISO file downloaded, and now we need to put it on the USB flash drive. You just cannot copy it and paste to the flash drive. You need the special software to make the drive bootable. I will show you how to do it. It's pretty easy, and you have to have at least 8 gigabytes flash drive. So go to the rufus.ie. Here click on download and choose the proper version, which mostly will be probably something like this, the first one, and again download it. After download, just run it. It will probably ask you if you want to agree with the future online update, so yes, you can confirm it. And after a few seconds I got this pop-up window, so yes, I want to update. You always want to have the newest version. I will switch it into English, I'm sorry. So now you have to do just a few steps. Now put your flash drive into your computer. It should have 8 gigabytes capacity at least, and choose this device here. As you can see, I already have one where already my ISO has been installed, but you probably will not see here this text like me. You will at least see your letter of your drive and its capacity. And of course, remember, the whole content on your USB flash drive will be completely overwritten. Now we have to give our ISO file to the Rufus, which can be made, for example, by clicking on the select and use the one we have downloaded, or alternatively, you can drag and drop it from your download folder onto the Rufus application. After that, you actually do not have to need to change anything in here. You can keep it like this. Only one exception, which is the partition scheme. You should choose here the GPT. The GPT is mostly used on newer computers, I mean since 2010, which are using the UEFI. If you have choose from any reasons to boot from your legacy USB drive, so then the MBR has to be chosen. If you don't know now what I'm talking about, or if you actually do not know the difference between the UEFI and the legacy USB, so probably you have your BIOS settings on default, which is UEFI. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, just switch it to GPT and don't think about it anymore. This is for special occasions when from some reasons you have to switch your booting mode to legacy. So in legacy you have to use MBR, but mostly on the modern systems you should have here the GPT. That's it, and just click on start. Okay, now the Rufus detected that this ISO is hybrid image. You should always choose here the first option, which is this ISO image mode. If there will be any problems with booting from your drive, just do everything again, choosing by this option, but this is very rare and you will probably be successful in 99% with this option. Just hit OK now. Yes, we know everything will be overwritten, so hit OK again, and now the process has been started. It will take several minutes to complete, so just sit down and wait until it's completed. Okay, so now it's done. As you can see, it took about 8.5 minutes, but this depends on your flash drive speed, so it might be different. So that's it, and in the next video we will install our Ubuntu server on our PC. So please hit the subscribe button again and watch our next video where I will show you how to install this Ubuntu server on your computer, and we will install it on the external HDD drive because I already have the Windows installation on this computer and I don't want to delete it, so I want to have both systems on one computer and we will use an external hard drive to achieve it. So I really recommend to subscribe this channel to see how I make it done. Thank you for watching and see you later in my next videos. Goodbye.